Hi there! Welcome to Camglish.com. I'm Teacher Angel, and today I'm going to be teaching you another English lesson in the book Essential Grammar in Use, 3rd edition by Raymond Murphy. Hi guys! Are you ready to discuss and have the second part of our lesson under Unit 93, and that is Word Order, Lesson 1. We're going to talk about the pointer in this column, pointer letter B. Word order with the words where and when. Where do we have to put where and when in our sentence? Okay, so if you remember, word order is the syntactic arrangement of words in a sentence, clause, or phrase. When we say syntactic, it was derived from the word syntax, that means the word order or pattern of word order in a sentence. So, we will find out how can we make a grammatically correct sentence even though we add or we use where and when. Okay? We usually use where and when in the beginning of our sentence when we make questions. But in this case, we will try to find out how to properly put them in a sentence that is not a question. Let's try to observe this word or sentence. We went to a party last night. We know that the proper word order should be this: subject plus verb and the object of our sentence. We can see here that we have the subject we and the verb went, and then our object to a party. Now, where did we put where? Yes, you're right. We placed it here. Okay. It's not literally that we put the word were, okay? But the phrase in this part explains where did they go last night, right? And when was it? It was last night. We place where after our verb and then when after the word where, right? Place where is usually before time. In a sentence, we usually put the place, okay, where the event happened before time. That is the proper word order. Subject, verb, place, and time. Subject, verb, where, when. Where something happened and when it happened, right? We say we went to a party last night. We will not say we went last night to a party. Of course, that's not correct, right? This one sounds more appropriate. Okay, now let's try to observe the following sentences. Lisa walks to work every day. It should not be Lisa walks every day to work. Okay, we have here our subject, verb, where, and time, when. Next one, will you be at home this evening? This is the proper word order. We cannot say, will you be this evening at home? Always remember to place where that will answer the question where, followed by when. Time. Next one, I usually go to bed early. I Go is the verb. To bed is where and when. We arrived at the airport at 7 o'clock. We is our subject. Arrived is our verb. And at the airport is our place. And 7 o'clock is our time. Next, they've lived in the same house for 20 years. They lived in the same house is the place for 20 years is the time they spent days there. Okay? The span of time when they live there. Okay? Next, Joe's father has been in hospital since June. Our subject is Joe's father. Place is in hospital where he stayed, and he was staying there since June. Or he has been staying there since June. Right? Okay, do not forget that after our verb should follow the word that would answer the question where, and then followed the word that would answer the question when. Subject, verb, where, when. That is the proper word order. Don't forget that, so that your sentence will sound more appropriate. And not only because of the sound, but because you followed grammar rule, right? Well, thank you for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed and you learned something new. Again, my name is Angel, and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget that with Camglish.com, speaking in English is not impossible. I hope to see you next time. Goodbye and have a nice day.